Welcome. In this video, we will show you the main construction features and how to use the special measuring gauge, Metrolog MAS1734621. The application requirements are capable of measuring the inner diameter from 19.720 mm to 19.740 mm, positioned at the mid-height of the part, capable to measuring roundness error by manually rotating the part. Study of the R&R of the gauge, with a target value of less than 5%. Robust construction for fast inspection of 100% of the produced parts. Design concept. The gauge was designed using a typical air gauge, composed of a single dual jet circuit. VND steel construction and hard chrome surface application for high wear resistance under continuous use condition. Calibration master rings constructed of VND steel with double tempering and sub-zero heat treatment. Calibration. For the application, a Metrolog M21P measurement column was used, configured for simultaneous measurement of the instantaneous diameter and part roundness. The calibration and referencing process in this application should be done as follows. The cal key is pressed. The minimum master ring is inserted into the gauge and confirmed. The maximum master ring is then inserted into the gauge and confirmed. Then the zero key is pressed for initial diameter referencing. The gauge is then ready for use. Measurement. After initial calibration and referencing, the measurement process is simple. The operator must insert the part into the air gauge until it rests on the reference face. The instantaneous diameter of the part already indicated in the top line of the display. By rotating the part 180 degrees, it is possible to obtain the bore roundness, indicated in the bottom line of the display. The color indication of the violation of the tolerance limits allows quick segregation of the rejected parts. More information about the product line is available at www.metrolog.net.